Dear children of Micronesia, children of dancing Ete and gentle Mesegio, of reblet currents and towering Lati, you are the descendants of protectors, knowledge keepers, and dreamers, aunties and uncles who walked ahead of you to hold up the sky, to clear a path with love as surrounding as the sea, with courage as enduring as the land. Let me tell you of our heroes. There is Terasia Taywa from Kiribati, whose teaching and mentorship was a lighthouse for her students, illuminating not only the dark corners of history, but also the way forward. Beneath the shadow of violent occupations and militarization across the Pacific, Teresia's work gave wings to our hope for an empowered Oceania in a more just and joyful world. There is Robert Underwood from Guahan, who carries the historical torch of Chamorro's self-determination, whose passionate activism became a life of public service. When the federal government ignored the plight of the Chamorro people, Robert passed major legislation to return native lands and fought for our rights to self-government and war reparations. Robert continues to be a crucial thought leader, stoking the flames for the next generation of Guam's liberators. There is Tommy Ramangaso from Belau, who spent his presidency as one of the greatest defenders of our oceans, who showed the world how to mold a government around traditional systems, how to codify indigenous love for the land into a bulwark of conservation. When overfishing and contamination threatened Belau's waters, Tommy and his people called for a traditional practice of sanctuary, establishing one of the largest fully protected marine areas in the entire world, while elevating Belau and Micronesia as environmental leaders on the international stage. There is Kathy Jetnil-Kijiner from the Marshall Islands, artist and envoy whose poetry turns the tides while leading a new wave of Micronesian climate warriors and storytellers. From rising waters and toxic pollution to the legacy of nuclear testing, Kathy weaves her people's past into a vibrant future, her basket of stories large enough to carry our islands. And then there's you, my child, the prayer of 100 generations. Never forget, no matter where you go in this world, that you are carried by those who have gone before you. May you walk in the daybreak of our heroes. May you protect the islands they held for you. And may you remember, this courage is yours too.